welcome to Little One Model Railways. And what's coming up in this video? An update and test of the branch line track. Also, you'll see a couple of little trains running around, a bit of a surprise. A few weeks ago, I showed you a friend of mine's, Keith, his layout. This time it's another friend called Colin and his layout. You see lots of track, there's 3 main lines going round. Not a lot of scenery, but that's how he likes it. He just wants to run trains. Moved the point that was there to here. This brought all these sidings in this direction, so I didn't have enough room because they would have come out over the side of the baseboard. So I've had to shorten these out, these 2 sidings. There was a lot of steel track in these 2 sidings, so I've completely replaced them. This piece of track that the Q1's sitting on had to be shortened, and I replaced it because I think some of that was steel. The point that was here was steel, so I replaced that. Some of the track here was steel. I replaced that as well. Now I've got to test this track to make sure everything's working. The Q1's a good one to use because it didn't like half the track work in here anyway. Let's back up the Q1. Nicely does it so far. Change this point. Looking good. Good so far. Now as we're coming back, I need to change this point so it comes into these sidings. That's far enough, otherwise it back onto those. Now changing this point. Great. To this point, change that. This is a great loco for testing track. Doesn't stall very often. That's all the track tested in these sidings.
It should be coming in. Now, what's his number? Do you know? First, last two.
3064.
3064. It's got no sound.
Well, I hope you liked all that. The two little locos that you saw running that's different with sound, they come from Colin's collection. There'll be more about them on another video. All I ask of you is to subscribe and like, and if you like, to leave a comment down below. I'm much appreciated. And all I can say now is God bless, look after yourselves, and see you next time. Bye.